Okay guys, now it's secret place of any workshop. It's a workshop. I mean boat shop at workshop. Two boats, two Askeladen here. Oh, that's pretty one. One is 79 and the owner decided to put max to it. You got 9 rail, you got radar, you got everything. Camera. Oh. But it's good, it's good. The people spend money, they love their boat. Engine 225, I've got 300. Anyway. And this boat, one guy, I know him, from Tallinn. It's already Tallinn registration. It's always the same boat as mine, but this guy bought model with long groove, that one. Actually, it's very interesting. One day I'll ask him to ride this boat. Oh, and he put extra post here, so another steering, not run to the front, just riding here. Well, that's good. It costs money, but it is good. Everything is the same. 225, not 300. It's almost the same boat as mine, but it's called Nora, with some options like this extra post and this nice, excellent long groove. So you can, if you put your canopy behind, you can close up to here. It's all the way up to the back seat, rear seat. Wow, great. That's Askeladen, guys.